Listen up. This mediocre crap is ruining everything you work for. The endless meetings, the good enough attitudes, the culture where nobody really cares about being the best, only about showing up and ticking boxes. It's maddening, right? You bust your ass day in, day out, and what do you get? A system that rewards the safe choice, the average performer, the just passing kind of effort. It's fraud. It's poison. And it's what's killing your company, your team, your entire mission from the inside out. You see it all the time. Brilliant founders held back because their teams can't hit a consistent bar of excellence. Investors frustrated by startups littered with excuses instead of results. Leaders worn down by cultures that applaud mediocrity, that tolerate slack, that kill ambition with politeness and hollow compliments. That's not leadership. That's surrender disguised as management. So how do you flip this? How do you deliberately build something that doesn't tolerate average? Where excellence isn't just a buzzword, but the only language spoken? First, stop pretending culture happens by accident. It doesn't. Culture is the sum of every single choice you deliberately make every single day. Talk less about values and chase more real behaviors. Reward the people who raise the bar and hold them accountable when they don't. This means firing faster, giving feedback that rips through complacency, refusing to accept "that's how we've always done it" as a valid excuse. No second chances for mediocrity, only fast, brutal course correction. Second, stop pretending that one person or one idea is what makes a culture excellent. Excellence grows in networks, in ecosystems, in brutal synergy. If your community isn't diverse in strengths and relentlessly pushing each other, your culture is just a hollow slogan. You need to build connections between the top 1%, those who are not just hungry, but obsessed with getting better, who demand radical honesty and deep commitment from themselves and others. The right partnerships, the right feedback loops. That's what keeps excellence alive. Lock that in and watch the rest crumble behind you. Third, crush the entitlement mindset that creeps everywhere. The world has gotten too comfortable handing out rewards based on age, title, or buzzwords, not actual results. In your crew, merit has to be earned and re-earned every single day. No exceptions, no excuses. Set insanely high standards, then be relentless in measuring them. Transparency is key. If someone isn't meeting your standards, call it out publicly. That's how you break the mediocrity cycle. People need to see that the rules apply to everybody. No hiding spots. No safe spaces for slackers. Fourth, create a culture built on freedom and responsibility at the same time. Let people choose how they work and what they build, but own the outcomes so tightly they can't wiggle free from results. Freedom without ownership is chaos. Ownership without freedom is a cage. You want people who invent their paths and smash their goals. Build systems that reward that kind of productive individuality, not groupthink or safety in numbers. Finally, don't settle. Every single day, push for constant reinvention. The culture you create now should be more demanding tomorrow. Never think we're good enough. Not good enough evolves into obsolete overnight. Make your culture so alive, so fierce, so addicted to excellence that anyone who's not willing to match that energy can't last 5 minutes. It's brutal, but necessary. You have an obligation to yourself, to your team, to the future, to cut through the noise and build something that kills mediocrity like a virus. Stop accepting less. Demand more. Connect with the rare few who want that too. Be the relentless force that drags culture out of the mud and into something powerful, precise, and unstoppable. This won't be easy. It might even cost you people. But if you're serious about scale, about impact, about legacy. This is the only way forward. Be clear on that, or get out of the way. Excellence isn't a dream. It's a discipline. And it's the only thing worth fighting for. So get on it, right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.